JB Moro, go and get your bag.
Hi lovers, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Monday the 14th of July and I posted a new vlog today. If you haven't seen it yet, pause this video and go watch my previous vlog, go engage with my previous vlog, and then you come back to watch this vlog. But anyway, this week I have some exciting things that must be done. For instance, number one, my father is making me a TV stand out of my old cupboard, like my old hangers wat ek wat jare laat gebruik het. Ek het amper die goed weggegooi. But then I had the idea, like my father's a carpenter, why not ask him to make me a TV stand? I don't know why I wanted a TV stand instead of a hangers. Well, I don't have a hangers now, but worrying at the moment. But anyway, I'm gonna help my father build it. I'm just gonna be like his handlanger or whatever. Just gonna assist or whatever he needs. So I might not vlog a lot, guys. And David, I can't vlog, gaan struggle with. But yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Die kas gaan it's scratch basically gemaakt worden. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Just subscribe to my channel. It's a lot of fun here. And yeah, grow my YouTube journey with me, or like go through my YouTube journey with me. So yeah, let's get straight into this vlog. I don't want to talk too much. I'll see you when we start building the tea stand. I'm so excited. Bye. Lovers, I quickly want to show you something I got. I totally forgot to show you guys. I got two of these pillows for my bedroom. Guys, I'm just collecting stuff for my bedroom, and whenever I have enough things, I will show you guys. I don't really vlog in my bedroom because I think it's an intimate space. And this bietjie mekaar daar sê hang so guys rera. But yeah. Secondly, I got this curtains. I want to hang them, but I want to wash them first so that they can smell nice. Just want to show you guys before my mense is to come and for my comment, guys. Do you see the vision? The dark, cozy vision. Kyk, ek sien nou eers dat het geskeer. Kyk daar, dat het geskeer. Ach, maar ek worry nie. It is what it is. Cozy. Ek gaan hulle môre uitwas en môre was. Ja. But yeah, bye guys.
In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far.
Guys, is this not so pretty? We also made that one. al wat kort is like legs, then I think it will be done. But I absolutely love this. It looks like something you can buy out of or something I bought out of the shops. Dan moet ons gesoek is gisterand. Oh, my legs is legs. But yeah, guys, the girl's so cute. Guys, like, dit is die nuwe hout nie, so daar gaan gaatjies en goedjies wees, maar die, honestly, I don't care about it. This is so cute. My pa het regtig 'n goeie werk gedoen. Hy het dit 'n style gemaak. Ek het nou net pictures neergesit, Ocean en Lianetjie. Hierdie goedjies wat ek gehad het. Obviously, ek moet vir haar neergesit het. En daar het ek net 'n kers neergesit. This is so beautiful, guys. Wie's die? Wie's die? Ek weet nie wat gaan ek hier neersit nie, maar ek moet nog hier so paint. I totally forgot to paint here. Like you guys can see, I painted this part. Maar dit is so erg, like, so ek moet nog hierbo paint. Hierdie part is maar daar neergesit net vir stability, laat dit nie so baie rondskuif nie. Totally cute. Ek wil nog die gordyne afhou. Vloer was bietjie daar hier en daar doen. So ja. Let's get into it. Guys, as julle nie julle se grootste supporter is, dan wie sal? Who will be? It's just, dis 'n ander gevoeling as jy jouself op YouTube kyk. Maar kyk hier, so cute. I want to show you guys something first. Imagine my pa het vir my skyfdere ingesit. Imagine. Look at this, wait. Look at this. Okay, tingnan na, bietjie vas. Guys, julle gaan nie met my sê hierdie lyk professioneel nie. Guys, I'm gonna finish cleaning off camera because my phone is saying it's low on space, my memory is full. So I don't wanna stop now and look for my phone to delete things. So I'm gonna finish cleaning, and then I'll delete some things on my phone. But yeah, see, even now it's saying camera full. Guys, I'll see you later. Wait, what do you think about my new curtains? I absolutely love them. Julle my ding het gebreek daar. Ek ken nie wat noem hulle. Ek het dit gefix met sellotape. Ek het nie nou tyd om te stres daaroor nie. But yeah, guys, it's giving. Look, it's giving. Al wat ek nou nodig vir my sitkamer is pillows. Then I think in like little decorative thingies, but yeah, my sitkamer is giving. I'll show you guys later when the sun is not that bright. But yeah, floor is still dry. Good morning, guys. Like this. So yeah, guys, today's Sunday. I didn't record like in a while. I think maybe 1 or 2 days I didn't record. But yeah, I pick up the phone for you guys. This is only for you guys. I quickly wanna go on a walk with Biala, but I don't like walking with them. And so daarvan om te trek, om die leash te trek. Nou wil ek nog vir haar vat en vir haar bietjie discipline dat sy nie dit doen nie. What the hell? Ek ken nie wat is my voet size ek julle. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Seems like the first one. Die kleins die Anna. Soraya het nou die dag vir my 'n joke gesê van wat sy gehoor het. Apparently, ons wat klein voete het, ons loop by ons tata. Guys, ons tata. Omdat ons klein voete het. Oh my goodness, I hope this is right. I really hope this is right. It looks right, but it looks small as well. Guys, please comment down below like shows to watch on Netflix or on Prime TV, like new shows or like shows you guys really enjoy. And I guess baie punt wat ek voel ek het alles gekyk, maar I already watched everything. So there's nothing new for me now. But one thing I also realized is that I'm very picky when it comes to TV shows and those type of things. Julle moet nou net sien hoe excited raak Bella as sy sien ons loop. Ek gaan my bes te probeer laat sy nie die touw trek nie. Nee, kom vir ek bring een glas. Are you happy?